Got a new customer rolling into town. Looks like he's got a narrow gauge. Gonna guide him out to the shop so he can meet Dad. So Dad's got the new customer out here in the yard and they're already talking. And we'll see what they're up to.
Yeah, so we bought this from a fellow who had made it and done it up, and it's not as bad as I thought it might be as far as ride goes.
Yeah.
If you ride it normally and drive to conditions, it doesn't feel bad. But then you get into standard rolling bogies and you realize you could have been places faster in the same spot, right?
Yeah, because that goes like this, eh?
Yeah, and then the other issue we found is if you're not careful and you get into kind of a funny spot and you get a log or something under you,
Yeah.
because it can't walk in between
Yeah.
here. So that lifts up, and if you're in just the right spot, that lifts up. Now it's got that track in the air, that track's spinning, this track won't spin because it's lifted up, right?
Yeah. Well, then you have to go to the positive traction.
Well, you know, at some point in time, I almost might think about putting a locker in this one.
Yeah.
You know, those either mechanical or electronic.
Yeah.
Just so you can still steer the damn thing and then lock it up if you need to. But boy, oh boy, does it go through snow.
Yeah.
So this is just pull into the yard here and Dad's gonna take a quick gander at. You got a year there?
No, somebody took the tag again.
Okay.
Is the motor good?
So far,
Yeah. Not using oil?
it doesn't appear to be using oil, but we never ran it that long.
Okay.
We just got it in the kind of late winter, early
Or
spring there. But that cork gasket, you know, underneath
Yeah.
that thing, that's definitely leaking.
Like on the valve cover?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's
Well,
weeping, and it's got a little.
We
drip.
usually go to rubber.
Yeah.
What's that foam looking stuff? Is that insulation
No,
or?
This is added.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the
How come you got the PCV valve going down on the, should be going to the carb?
I don't know what he's done with that.
Yeah.
So we can do a quick walk around here while these guys are talking shop. Unknown year, narrow gauge, as Dad said, was Quebec style. And first glance here, you know, it's looks like it's age, but the guy said it's running well, and
You know, paint is the absolute last thing I've ever been doing to a machine. Yeah.
let's poke in this side.
It's scratched. The running gear,
Oh, fire extinguisher in there.
where all your money is, right?
Yeah.
The back wheel's supposed to be foam filled.
Well, you can tell right away if there's a screw in it. So far, not too bad. I hate it when they get near an auto wrecker though and start to bark.
Yep.
Does this fan help?
I've never had a condition where I had to use it. Again, we don't have a lot of miles on this one. This, we just picked it up. We were looking. We've got another steel body narrow gauge, but it's set up for and it's got the neck bone on it, and it's all wood up inside, net boxes and that.
Yep.
So we were gonna do some work on it, but it's a shame to take all that off if there's someone that could use it like that, right?
Yeah.
So when we found this one, we figured, well, you know what? Maybe we'll switch over and we'll sell that one.
How long have you owned this one?
Not very long.
Couple years or?
No. We just picked it up at the tail end of the season,
Oh, okay.
and we got a couple rides in on it. Enough to know that we liked it enough that
Yeah.
we could have spent some money on it.
Okay.
I need to get it set up for my wife to drive it.
Okay.
So she wants brakes and
Is
power
it?
steering.
Oh, she does. Okay. Well,
Is she gonna be able to, she can drive a standard shift?
Automatic.
Where's the automatic? Oh, is the automatic is in there?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Because when I do the power steering, you don't have shifter. That shifter is gone.
So you gotta move that shifter, or you've got a system.
No, I'm gonna show you here. Oh, they've done a pretty nice job of finishing inside.
yeah.
No, that.
Is that heater put out good?
Yeah, he's got 2 fans rigged up to it.
Yeah.
One fan blowing at your body, and one fan just for the dash.
Yeah.
Again, we never gotten in minus 30 to.
So this brake pedal doesn't work right now, or
That's
Well,
a clutch.
okay?
No, that's
Oh,
a brake pedal. It's hooked up
Oh.
to a cable
yeah,
and then to a. Well, I haven't seen it yet,
yeah.
but it's supposed to be on a disc brake with just a cable caliper,
Okay.
but it doesn't really.
So you haven't taken apart the floor to see what's underneath? Okay.
Haven't opened up anything yet. We just got everything.
Well, this is prettier than what Dad usually sees in the shop.
We put hinges like this on a lot of them.
So beautiful interior. Lots of stuff set up in here. So
But make sure and put the
this might be less of a job than Dad anticipated.
that doesn't make any difference.
So Dad's just taking a look on the driver's side door here for the engine compartment. Dad hasn't found too big of an issue yet on anything. Geez, you even got a backup camera on the back. Does all those cameras work, or?
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah? Have you had to use it much, or?
Well, where it's nice is if you're running down the trail,
Yeah.
you can see what's coming behind you. So
Yeah.
if there's a snowmobile or something.
Yeah,
coming
yeah,
up,
yeah. There you go.
Right, you're aware of them, and it's more of a safety issue.
Yeah.
Do you pull the choke on this in the morning when you're starting, or what?
Yeah.
Okay. And you still got to put a little gas in?
It depends when's the last time you ran it.
Oh yeah.
Because the issue then is just you're cranking the shit out of it, right? It's kind of.
Yeah. Okay.
But I mean, it will eventually.
What's this here? Start.
Starter button, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so key on the power.
So we're gonna walk around here again, take a look. Okay, one of the things I noticed here for damage showing up is a cracked windshield.
Yeah.
So
As long as
that's
it's not shattered.
yeah. No, I just wanted to point it out in the video.
Okay. Come over here.
Just walking a customer to the other end of the yard here, I guess, to show him something
Shifter looks like, and the power steering looks.
on what one of the other Bombardiers will look like.
Moves it right onto the dash. Perfect.
Yeah. Get off of the floor.
Yeah.
This is worth $360, and the cable's $180 that goes down there to the shifter.
Okay.
If you want to go that route.
But that's just showing the new customer the options he has here.
Control.
Perfect. Oh, that looks good. And that makes it a lot easier.
See,
for,
this is locked now. You can't. Nobody can. You have to pull it towards you and down. Drive, reverse, neutral, and
So when it's in drive,
yeah,
so can they run? Oh, they could run it right up into neutral if somebody banged it.
yep,
Okay. Okay, so they still got to watch that.
yep.
Okay.
Well, I don't know. You know, there's nothing really bulletproof
Yeah.
except park, eh?
Yeah.
You know, so you don't drive over somebody.
Yeah.
That's the part we were looking at.
So the customer just took off his chains here for the trailer and put the ramps down. We're gonna unload it. And first impressions is it's a nice little machine. And we're gonna have to get this unloaded, and then we're gonna take the customer into the office and talk some numbers with them. And it sounds like he's having an issue starting right now, but we'll figure this out. Well, that was quick. About 2 seconds after I stopped the video there, he started up again here. Just gonna let it warm up, and then we're gonna unload. The customer said he had a number of bombardiers in his fleet. Going to be starting up a fishing lodge. Going to need this to transport customers back to and from their ice jacks and whatnot. So he's got a plan for future use for all of his bombardiers, and you know, this is why we got to keep them alive. Dad is just pointing out some other issues that he saw underneath there, and just so the customers are aware.
So what year is this one? This one here? Yeah. Well, for some reason or other, guys like to take the serial number off, eh? But I had an old guy from Saskatchewan here about a week ago, and he wanted to know how old it was. And I said, I don't know for sure. And he said, I know where that machine come from Saskatchewan. It was a school bus. And I remember Tommy Douglas riding in here in grade 10 to go to school. So that gives you an idea how old it is. Wow.
So
mainly do electrical.
Dad's got the customer
And they got
back
this
here, and they're
They didn't know what the
looking
hell it
through
was.
old
So
photos of some of the past jobs and winter roads.
What are you gonna do with it? We're gonna sell it. We're gonna have this, we're gonna
So
use it.
Dad's just in his element here.
Make an offer. So,
Gotta love our fans and customers.
Channel iron.
Dad's just showing the customer here what the wooden floor is, the
Bolted on. I mean,
the
they're
benefits of having a
fastened
wooden
so
floor
that
versus
if you
tin,
ever
so that you can
get the
lift it up and do maintenance on the differential.
bolts out. I put this headliner in for me. He was so proud of that. See how we took the carpet and put it around the windows? Yep, that's all you need. Finished. That's cold air coming in. That's hot air going out. Sun visors. Rear view mirror. See what the kids are doing.